Why are there not more people talking about amino acids and their crucial role in our health? Amino acids are often called the building blocks of life. They play a crucial role in almost every biological process. They are essential for a wide range of bodily functions, from muscle growth to immune response. Think of them as the tiny but mighty workers that help build and repair tissues, create enzymes and hormones, and support a healthy metabolism. They are indispensable in maintaining overall health. Without the proper balance and amount of amino acids, our bodies cannot function optimally. Achieving this balance is crucial for maintaining energy levels and supporting recovery. There are 20 different amino acids that are crucial for human health. Each one has a unique role and function in the body. They are categorized as either essential, non-essential, or conditionally essential. Understanding these categories helps in planning a balanced diet. Essential amino acids cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained through our diet. Foods like meat, eggs, and dairy are rich sources. The body can produce non-essential amino acids on its own. Conditionally essential amino acids are required in higher amounts, primarily during periods of stress or illness. This adaptability is vital for resilience. In this ultimate guide, we'll delve deeper into the world of amino acids. We'll uncover their hidden benefits and how they contribute to our well-being. We'll explore the powerful benefits of specific amino acids, including taurine, glycine, and lysine. Each of these has unique properties that support different aspects of health. You'll discover how these nutrients can support various aspects of your health, from muscle growth and repair to gut health and immune function. Their impact is far-reaching and profound. Understanding the roles of different amino acids empowers you to make informed decisions about your dietary choices. Knowledge is the first step to better health. You can ensure you're providing your body with the necessary tools to thrive. A well-rounded diet rich in amino acids is a cornerstone of vitality. So let's unlock the power of amino acids together. Join us on this journey to better health and well-being. Gut Healing Support Trio. First up, let's talk about the gut healing support trio: glycine, lysine, and taurine. Glycine supports the health of the gut lining by aiding in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of the gut barrier. Its anti-inflammatory effects soothe and heal the gut lining, while also supporting liver function, which is crucial for detoxifying the gut and maintaining overall digestive health. Lysine is vital for collagen production, helping repair and maintain the gut lining. It supports immune function in the gut, managing inflammation and protecting against infections. Additionally, lysine enhances nutrient absorption, which is crucial for gut health and overall nutrition. Taurine is essential for bile acid synthesis, aiding in fat digestion and absorption. It provides antioxidant protection and reduces inflammation in the gut. Additionally, taurine helps regulate gut motility, which is beneficial for issues like constipation or irregular bowel movements. Combined benefits for gut health. Together, these amino acids strengthen the gut barrier, reduce inflammation, and improve digestive health. Adding taurine, glycine, and lysine to your gut healing regimen can significantly improve your digestive health. Power up your muscles and metabolism. Lysine, Glycine, and Taurine form a powerful trio when it comes to muscle support and metabolic health. These amino acids are essential for anyone looking to enhance their physical performance and overall fitness. Lysine, an essential amino acid, plays a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis, the process of building and repairing muscle tissue. It's particularly important for those engaging in resistance training and looking to increase muscle mass. It's like the foreman on a construction site, directing the building materials to the right places. Without lysine, the construction of muscle tissue would be inefficient and slow. Glycine, a non-essential amino acid, is involved in the production of creatine. Creatine is a compound that provides energy to muscles during high-intensity exercise, making it a key player in athletic performance. Creatine is a compound that provides energy to muscles during high-intensity exercise. This energy boost is crucial for activities that require short bursts of power, such as sprinting or weightlifting. Think of glycine as the fuel that keeps the construction workers going strong. Without it, the workers would tire quickly and the construction would come to a halt. Taurine, a conditionally essential amino acid, acts as an osmolyte. This means it helps regulate fluid balance in cells, including muscle cells, which is vital for maintaining muscle function and preventing cramps. Proper hydration is essential for muscle function, and taurine plays a key role in this process. It prevents cramping and promotes efficient muscle function. By ensuring your muscles are well hydrated, taurine helps you perform at your best and recover more quickly from intense workouts. Picture taurine as the hydration station that keeps the construction crew refreshed and operating at peak performance. Just as workers need water to stay productive, your muscles need taurine to function optimally. Now, let's discuss the methylation support trio: methionine, glycine, and taurine. Methionine is essential for methylation and detoxification processes in the body. Glycine complements methionine by supporting methylation and detoxification. Taurine supports liver function, enhancing overall detoxification. Collagen and connective tissue support trio: Proline, Glycine, and Taurine, with Lysine joining the team. Proline is vital for collagen synthesis, crucial for connective tissue health. Glycine plays a significant role in forming collagen, maintaining tissue integrity. Taurine supports cellular health and stability, contributing to tissue integrity. Lysine complements Proline and Glycine by aiding in collagen formation and tissue repair. Our next focus is the immune and cellular protection trio: arginine, glycine, and taurine, with lysine included. Arginine supports immune function and wound healing. Glycine aids in immune system function and cellular repair. Taurine provides antioxidant protection, enhancing immune health. Lysine supports the immune system, managing cold sores and complementing arginine and glycine. Finally, let's explore the neurotransmitter and mental health support trio: tryptophan, glycine, and taurine. Tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin, affecting mood and sleep. Glycine supports neurotransmitter function and overall brain health. Taurine has neuroprotective effects, supporting cognitive function. By ensuring you're getting enough of these amino acids through your diet or supplementation, you can support muscle growth, enhance athletic performance, and boost your metabolism. This trio of amino acids works together to keep your body in peak condition. Remember, a healthy metabolism is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Incorporating these amino acids into your routine can make a significant difference in your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health tips. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from the incredible power of amino acids. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and stay strong. Until next time.